Hey everyone, MAGDA 03 is out. This release adds a built-in Chord Engine, multi-provider AI with local inference, a DSL console, and group support. Let's walk through what's new. The headline feature is the Chord Engine, a MIDI device you can drop onto any track. What makes it unusual is that the full device UI lives inside the piano roll. You see the 3-column chord panel right alongside your notes. The layout has 3 columns. On the left is chord detection. As you play, it identifies each chord and builds up a history. That history is what feeds everything else. In the center, you have chord suggestions. This panel has 2 modes: K&S, which uses music theory to suggest chords, and AI, where you can ask an LLM to continue the progression. On the right is the scale detection. The engine identifies the most likely scale from the chords you played, and you can also browse all scales manually. Under the hood, the K&S suggestions are driven by the krumhansl-schmuckler algorithm. This builds a pitch class histogram from your chord history, weighted by exponential decay so recent chords matter more, and correlates that against empirically derived major and minor key profiles across all 24 keys. The detected key fits into scale matching, which ranks modes and pentatonics by fit, and all of that drives which chords get suggested. You can click any suggestion to audition it. The footer has toggles to add 7th, 9th, 11th, 13th, alternate chords, and the novelty slider controls how far outside the key suggestions go. Switch to the AI tab and you can generate chord progressions from text. Chords show up as annotations on the piano roll timeline. You can drop chords from the suggestion straight onto the roll, click to set the position, then click again to set the length. Everything stays in one view. The AI system got a complete overhaul. The new AI settings dialog has 3 tabs. Cloud lets you configure API keys for OpenAI, Anthropic, DeepSeek, Google, Gemini, and OpenRouter. The local tab is where it gets interesting. MAGDA now embeds a llama.cpp, so you can run AI entirely on your machine. No API keys, no internet. Point it at a GGUF model, set your GPU layers and context size, and you're up. We have a custom fine-tuned Quen model trained specifically on MAGDA's DSL, so it knows the commands out of the box. The AI chat has a new DSL tab, a built-in REPL where you can type commands directly with syntax highlighting and line numbers. This is the same language that the AI agents use under the hood. MIDI clips now support groove and swing. Select the clip and open the groove picker in the inspector. You can also create grooves through the AI. Use the groove / command and describe what you want in natural language, and it generates a custom groove template using the DSL. And there is a lot more in 03 that didn't make the main segments. That's 030, Chord Engine, local AI with custom Quen model, DSL console, groove support, and a lot more under the hood. Download it from MAGDA or grab it from GitHub. Thanks for watching.